I think at the end of the week, you're going to have a multiplication test on zeros, multiplied by zeros, by ones, by twos, by fives, by 9, actually, and by 10s. So let's start filling this out, and then we're going to go to your assignment that we're going to do. So we're skip counting. 0, 0 plus 9, what's that? It's 11, 7, and it is assignment 56. Then, so 0 plus 9 is 9. What's then? Add another 9. What's 9 plus 9? 18. Let's add another 9. 27, because this number goes up, this second number goes down. Then we're going to add another 9. Yeah, this one goes up by 1. This one goes down by 1. Alrighty, so the next one, this one goes up by 1. The 6 goes down by 1. So there's a little pattern. Add another 9. Who thinks they know what it is? What do you think? 45. Well, see, we already have 45. The next one is 54. This one goes up by 1. The next one goes down by 1. And by the way, another way when you're adding 9s, what I could do, watch this carefully, I should have done it before. Wait, no, hold on a second. If I'm adding 9 and I can't tell right away, I can add a 10. What's 54 plus 10? 54 plus 10, 64. But then, did I really have 10? I had 1 less than 10. So what's 64 minus 1? 63. Okay. So, I'm going to do that again. So, yeah, I can go add 10, which is 73, but go back 1, 72. The next one is 81, and then we have 90, and that works. Okay, so, girls and boys, let's quiet, so we can get all this done because we have other things to do. And then, here we go. Let's try to do our facts. You need to take this home and study this very well. So, 4 times 9. Yeah, remember, it doesn't start with the 4. It starts with 1 less, 30, such that this next number adds to this one to make 9, 36. Then, 3 times 9. 27. Oh, and here, okay, we're going to do this again. Let's go ahead and do it the way we're doing, but I'm going to show you another way that you can work with 10s again. So 3 times 9 is 27. 7 times 9. 63. 5 times 9. 45. 6 times 9. Yeah, it's not going to start with 6. It's going to start with 5, and these two add up to be 9. They add up to be 9. Then 9 times 9, 81. Any number times 0. 0. 9 times 1. 9. Then 8 times 9. 4 times 9. 36. 2 9s. 18. Now I'm going to go back again. Some of you who are learning your facts, good memorization is the best way. But here's another way that you might want to think about it. It might help some of you, it might not, I don't know. But I can do 10s really easy. Because isn't 4 times 10 40? Yes. But then I take away a 4. What's 40 minus 4? 36. I could do it again. 3 times 10 is 30, but I take away 3. What's 30 minus 3? 27. 7 times 10 is 70 minus 7. So 70 minus 7 would be 63. Because I really don't have a 10, I have a 9, but 10s are easy for me. So 5 times 10 is 50, but you take away 5. What's 50 minus 5? 45. And so on. So if you want to practice that, you can. All right, so now we're going to find the missing number. It's called a factor. Two numbers that multiply together are the factors. This is called the product. 9 times what number will give you 90? 10. Good job. How many 9s does it take to make 27? Good. Excellent. Now, by the way, for a number to end with a 5 or 0, it has to be multiplied by a 5. 5 times what number? 9. Then, what number?
9.
Yeah, 9 times 4. Then, 9 times what will give you? Not 4. 7, because, again, the number's going to be 1 bigger than that 6. And then, 9 times 6. Good job. And then, let's figure out these. Is 9 times 4 the same thing as 4 times 9?
Yes.
Yes, so therefore, they are equal. What is 8 times 9? 72. Okay, so this one is bigger than this one. So that would be, again, the bigger number gets 2 dots. The smaller one gets 1, and then we can connect it like that. So it says this one, 81, is greater than the 72. Then, by the way, who knows on this one why I don't need to work it out?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay, Maddie, what?
Because they're just one above each other.
Yeah, so look at the 9. The 9s are the same. Just like up here, this 9 equaled that 9. So over here, the 4 equaled the 4, so it was equal. But over here, look what's left is 6 and 7. 6 is what compared to 7?
Less.
It's going to be less. So it only gets 1 dot, and this one gets 2. So it is less than. 9 times 3 is what? 27. So 27 is what compared to 36? Small. So it gets 1 dot, and this one gets 2. And then let's look at the wheel. So this is, you can go 2 times 9 or 9 times 2. I think I'm going to go 2 times 9. 2 times 9 is 18. 4 times 9.
36.
So go ahead and put a 36 and just kind of keep spinning it around. 6 times 9.
54.
Good job. 9 times 9. I'm not going to go upside down. Okay, I'll go back this way. 7 times 9. 7 times 9. 63. 8 times 9.
72.
Okay. And again, I don't want these to be upside down. 5 times 9.
45.
45. And then 3 times 9. 27. All right. So this is a practice page that you need to take home and try to memorize these. Memorize your 9's table. And on the back, let's go ahead and write the 9's table on back. So we'll go ahead and do that. So again, 0, we'll do this one in order. 0 times 9 is what? What's 0 times anything? 0. 1 times 9, so Emmanuel, turn it over, sweetie, and let's go ahead and write these down. 1 times 9 is 9. Tell me if I'm going too fast. Okay. Ben. Well, you need to make sure that you start when we're starting, though. That's something you need to do. All right. So then 2 times 9.
18.
3 times 9.
27.
So let me make sure everybody gets caught up. All right, and then 4 times 9.
36.
5 times 9.
45.
6 times 9.
54. 50.
Yeah, 54 is correct. And again, what's special about each of these two numbers? They always add up to be what?
No.
9. 5 and 4 is 9. 4 and 5 is 9. 3 and 6 is 9. 2 and 7 is 9. 1 and 8 is 9. 9 is 9. The only one that doesn't is the 0. And then 7 times 9 is 63. 8 times 9.
72.
Right, so again, it's 1 less than that, 8. We're not there yet.
81.
9 times 9.
81.
And again, when we have the quiz, by the way, you will not be able to use your multiplication table because we need to memorize these now. Then I'm going to add another one. 10 times 9
90.
is 90. I'm going to add one more. 11 times 9.
95. 100 something? 95.
100.
No, wait, 99.
Just 100.
99. Good for you, Luke. Awesome. 9. Okay, 9 times 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times that 10 is 90. So 99. It is 99. And I'm not going to do the 12. So again, take these home. And this is for you to practice with.
108.
I think so, because I think we're adding another one. All right, then let's go ahead and look at this worksheet right here. This is going to be simple today, girls and boys, because we're multiplying by 1 and 0. How much easier can that be? All right. All right, so here we go. So we've got 5 groups of 1. So 1, 1, 1. What's 5 times 1? 5. 5 groups of 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So 5 times 1 is? What's 5 times 1? 5. Easy peasy. But if, look at, here's, well, let's do this one first. 3 groups of 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is what?
It's 3.
It is 3. Get this down. So 3 times 1.
0.
No, 3 times 1. 3. So I could say it's 1, 3. Now look at how they represent. This is kind of cool. I've got 4 groups, but there's 0 in it. There's nothing. So how much do I have?
0.
I have 0. So 4 times 0 is 0. 2 times nothing
0.
is 0. 2 times nothing is 0. That was easy. Then okay, I'm going to go around the room. Call your name. Jaden, 1 times 1. 1. Maddie, 0 times 0.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going across instead of up and down. Is Tenny 6 times 0? Is 0. Amambi 9 times 0? 0. And Estelle 7 times 1? 7. It's like 1 7 is 7. Good job. Tristan 8 times 0? 0. And Miss St. Mary 10 times 1? Is 10. Good. Aren't these easy? Joseph 4 times 1? In fact, Joseph, why don't you tell me the one right above? 3 times 1? Is 3. And then Luke 9 times 1? Is 9. And then Gia 2 times 0? 0. Emmanuel, are you getting them? Okay, good. And then, let me see, Victoria, 5 times 0. What is it? It is 0. And then Chloe, 1 times 2. 1 times 2? Well, I've got 1, 2. It's 2. Yeah, 1, 2 is a 2. Okay. Then, Chloe, what's 0 times 3? 0. Emmanuel, what is 1 times 6? Good job. And Manuel, what is 1 times 0?
0.
Very good. Okay, draw a picture and write a multiplication table. I don't think so. How about we just do a multiplication? 8 groups of 1 is what? 8 times what? 1, which is 8. One group, let's always put our group first. One group of 4, what's the multiplication for it? 1 times 4, which is what? 4. Get that down, because pretty soon I'm going to have you guys work together. All right. 7 groups of 0, how can I write it as a multiplication?
7 times 0.
7 times 0, which is 0. 0 groups of 6. 0 times 6, which is 0. Is this easy or what? Okay, so, oh, no, this is so easy, it's silly.
Oh my gosh.
1 times 0, let's get it?
0.
Put it on your paper, and if you don't want to put it on the question mark, you can put it right below. 1 times 1 is?
1.
1 times 2?
2.
1 times 3?
3.
1 times 4?
4. 5.
1 times 7?
6.
I fooled you, okay. And then 1 times 5?
5.
1 times 8?
8.
Good. 1 times 6?
6.
You guys can't be fooled. All right. 1 times 9?
9.
1 times 10?
10.
Okay, now, who knows the answer for every single one of these? 0. Anything times 0 is 0. All right, girls and boys, quiet, please. And then, Kiara puts a new bow in her hair every day of the week. How many bows does she use in a week? So she has 1 bow per day times how many days in a week?
5.
Emmanuel.
7.
No, well, that's school days. That's a school week. But she does it even on the weekends. So it's how many days altogether in a week? 7. So how many bows does she use? 7 bows. My product means the answer when I multiply. So I've multiplied something and I get a 0. What do one of these numbers have to be to get a 0? 1 has to be a 0. And the other number could be any. Any number could be a billion. Any number, you're right, times 0 is going to be 0. Good job.
So do we put any number?
I just wrote any number.
Do we do any number?
Well, don't. you don't have time to put a billion, trillion, million. So that's what I'm just saying.
Could we just do like the first letter like?
You could go 7 times 0 like that. And again, any number. Like flip it over. Okay. And it's going to be a small job today. Okay, a small job. Oh, let's first do on the very back. Let's do the 2-word problems. Let's get those out of the way. All right. So it says, okay, how many more of each does she need to pack? Mona needs a pair of pants and a shirt for each day of her 9-day trip. She has packed 7 shirts and 7 pants. How many more shirts and pants does she need to pack?
2.
Why 2?
3.
People.
3.
How many? Okay, hold on.
2.
She's packing pants and shirts for 7 days. So 1 shirt times 9 days is what? 1 shirt times 9?
9.
She needs 9 shirts. Okay. And she needs 1 pair of pants per day times 9 days. How many pants does she need? 9. 9 pants. How many shirts has she packed?
7.
So put minus 7 shirts. How many shirts does she still need? What's 9 minus 7? She still, does that make sense? She needs 2 shirts.
Minus 7?
9 minus 7, yeah. And then she's packed 9 pants. I'm sorry. She needs 9 pants. We already calculated that out. But she's already packed 7 pair of pants. So if she packs 7 already, how many more pair of pants does she need? Yeah, 9 minus 7 is 2. And that's it. All right. Yeah, 7 shells. Todd, let's look at 19. He has 7 shells that he collected on his vacation. He wants to put each shell in its own box. So how many boxes will he need?
7.
7. That is easy. So he's got 7 times 1 box for each. He needs 7 boxes. Okay. Here's your job, people, and it's going to be listen, it's going to be so easy. You're going to have time left over, and when you do, you can sit there and you can finish up a color activity if you haven't already turned it in. You can read. You can do a homework from another class, but you're going to finish all of this where it says homework. You're going to write a multiplication equation. You're going to find the missing parts that'll give you this answer. Okay, and you're going to finish this right here. By the way, let's see. Ignore 7. So you're going to do 1 through 6. Look how easy that is. Oh my goodness. So easy. So you can get together and finish that. All right?